I'm paddling on slushy, like a melting slushy. This is crazy. Is there a guy in a kayak over there sitting on top of the ice? He came out this way, fell in, and, and then scrambled up that way onto that little tree over there. I would have liked to have seen that. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Like it, click it a thumbs up, tell your friends, tell your mom. Well, it's likely your mom's really not interested in anything going on in this channel. The only reason my mom is because she's my mom. If you think I'm just a big waste of time, just leave me a comment, tell me about it. Now that's some top water fishing right there. On top of the ice, on top of the water. Leave a comment about a day like today where it's just kind of silly that I came out fishing because most of the lake is frozen. Voluntarily went fishing during a hailstorm, lightning storm, volcano storm. There were a lot of birds crapping on you. You had diarrhea. It's endless. Due to the barometric moon phase deficiency, was unable to hook into some serious fish today. Had nothing to do with anything else. Getting fish in the boat is something us professionals take very seriously. Even though I didn't even get a bite today, I'm going to tell all my friends that right after my camera died, I caught like a 35-pound bass.